the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Harmony 3 for the wireless. So the Harmony 3 has been leaked out online. Also, it's been leaked out by Evan Black on Twitter, so shout out to him. He's the one that leaked out this phone on Tuesday. So Cricket is getting the LG Harmony 3. I'm not sure when they're getting it exactly. Y'all gotta see the front of the phone right there. This is the leaked picture of the LG Harmony 3. Y'all gotta see it has a front-facing camera, a camera flash, which is pretty nice. Earpiece, your screen right there has a power button on the right side, button on the left side, and also has a Google Assistant kit also on the left side. So that's pretty nice as well. And y'all see it has the LG UX8 interface. The same interface that you guys will see on the LG G8 smartphone, so that's pretty cool. So that's what the phone looks like. In my opinion, I think this is the same phone as the LG K40, but it just has a different name. So that's what the phone looks like. If you guys know what the LG K40 looks like, the LG Harmony 3 looks exactly the same as the LG K40. So yeah, so there's the front of the phone there. I do have some specs for this phone here. I got these specs from shout out to JD Tech Blog and Steam Mobile Tech. I got these specs from the video about the K40 from Metro PCS. So this is where the specs came from, was from their video, so check out their video below. And yeah, so I could be totally wrong about these specs, but I'm pretty sure that the LG Harmony 3 will have similar specs to what you guys see on the screen here. Also, the LG Harmony 3 is 105.7 inch display. It's HD plus. That's 720 by 1440 pixels. That's 18 by 9 screen there. So very nice. It's 282 PPI. It will have a Snapdragon 450 processor, octa-core, 1.8 GHz. So you know, a lot of media insurance are using that processor and the same clock speed, so and then they're surprised there. The LG Harmony 3 will have 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. It do have micro SD card slot as well, up to 512 GB. You have a 2899 battery, according to JD Tech Blog's video. You will have a 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, face detection, autofocus, and LED flash, plus 1080p video at 30 frames per second. You also will have a 5 megapixel front-facing camera with LED flash as well. That also records in Full HD at 30 frames per second. The LG Harmony 3 will also feature fingerprint sensor and facial recognition, so that is a win. Now the OS, I'm not sure exactly the OS that this phone would run. I'm assuming it's going to run Android Pie. That's what I'm assuming. It's going to run Android 9.8 Pie with LG UX8 interface. So there you guys have it. And like I said earlier in the video, just have the Google Assistant button on the left side of the phone. Your Wi-Fi connections for the LG Harmony 3 will be 8 to 11 ABG and an AC. The phone will be under $200, and the release date is to be determined. So we don't know the exact date of the release date for this phone. We don't know. We'll just wait and see about that. And like I said, I'm basing the LG Harmony 3 specs off of the LG K40, so you know, there you guys have it. This specs should be totally wrong, but I'm just going by what JD Tech Blog said in his video about the K40 from Metro PCS. That's what the specs I'm going by for this phone. So you know. So spec wise, it's okay, but it's a lot better than the Harmony 2, of course. So because Metro by T-Mobile will be getting the K40 for about $189 for retail. So I expect the LG Harmony 3 to be around that price. And what do you guys think about the specs on some? Do you guys think it would be worth the price for the specs for the phone? I'm saying under $200, so we don't know the exact price for the quicker version of the K40. So they have all the specs there. Hopefully that these specs are correct. They probably are, they probably not. So we'll just have to wait and see. So this one does have a 720p display. I like the fact that it has fingerprint facial recognition. It has a Google Assistant, but which is pretty cool. I like the fact that it has a micro SD card. And I like the fact that it has Pi as well. So there you guys have it. You guys go look at the specs for the LG K40. It says Android 8.1 Oreo. That could be a possibility as well for this phone, but I'm gonna say it's on Pi because the K30 had Oreo, the K20 had Nubia, and the K10 had Marshmallow. So I'm assuming the K40 will have Pi, but who knows? We'll have to wait and see. It's gonna have 8.1 or 9.0, so I'm hoping 9.0, but I could be wrong. So there you guys have the LG Harmony 3. It's coming to Cricket Wireless. I'm not sure when that's coming, so yeah, there you guys have it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.